Welcome to my summer stretch challenge. It's Sean Wesley. To start up this stretch, we're going to be putting one leg in front of us and going into a standing forward fold. We're going to be maintaining a flat back to feel a deep stretch in our back thigh. You should be holding this stretch, or if you feel that you can go deeper as I can, then you can hold it, but make sure to maintain a flat back. Now repeat the same stretch on the other leg, still maintaining a flat back. Now rotate your hip to the middle and reach out for one leg to feel a deep stretch in your hamstrings. Now repeat on the other leg to make it even. Fold both hands to your elbow and maintain a flat back on the ground for a deeper stretch in both hamstrings. From here, we go into a downward dog to stretch our shoulders and also our hamstring. This is a great stretch to stretch out your shoulders if you're having inflexibility with your shoulders. From here, you alternate by bending one knee to the other knee to feel a deeper stretch in the straight knee. Do this for 5 times. From here, you go into a standing forward fold with your leg closed. You cross your 2 hands to fall into a deep stretch. This is good for your hamstrings because it grants a lot of hamstring flexibility. In that same position, you go into a wide stand and you try walking your hand back to feel a deeper stretch in your hamstrings. Now you go into as deep as a straddle and you reach for one side. Don't worry if you can't go as deep as I can. You can use the beginner modification, but just go in as deep as you feel a stretch. And now you reach to the other side to make it even. From here, you reach into the inner part of your legs to feel in a deep stretch in your hips and also in your hamstrings. Bend in one leg and reach for the straight leg to feel a deep stretch in your hamstrings. Now repeat on the other side to make it even. Now go into a seated pike stretch. Place your hand up and reach forward for a deeper stretch by keeping your back flat. This is the best stretch for hamstring flexibility. Now rotate your ankles to release any pressure in them. Then flex them, reach up and go back into a seated pike stretch for a deeper stretch in your legs. Now lean your back and reach for one leg. If you feel a stretch here, that's totally fine, but if not, you can straighten the leg to feel a deeper stretch in your hamstrings. Now repeat on the other leg to make it even. So for our next stretch is to stretch out our split, which is another form of stretching out our hamstrings. Don't worry, if you don't have the split, you can use in the beginner's modification. I'll be putting a how to do a split in the link description so you can go and learn how to do the split. So from here, you need to slide down to feel a deeper stretch in your hamstring. Now rotate your splits to the other leg to do all the stretches we did. Don't give up yet, guys, so we're at our final stretch, which is a forward lunge pose. So we're going to be pressing our hands over to fill in a deeper stretch in our hamstring. Make sure to repeat that on the other leg and make sure to cross your hands over for a deeper stretch in your hamstrings. Please, if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and please share with friends. The next challenge will be uploaded next week, Saturday. Bye.